So good. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a smoothie. What is a banana cantaloupe smoothie? Alright, so I have in this bowl. So before I get into the meat of the matter or the main video, remember to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my page with your friends and your families. Don't forget to leave me comments in the comment section about my videos. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you. Alright, so let's dive into this video. So today I will be making a banana cantaloupe smoothie. Right, so I have in this bowl some frozen cantaloupe, the green and the yellow one, and I have bits of pineapple. I have a ripe banana, I have a yogurt, and you can use any yogurt you prefer, and I will be using almond milk, so I have a glass of milk here. Alright, and I have my bullets. So I'm gonna get started guys. Alright, so I'm gonna add the frozen fruit, and remember the fruit is frozen to give you that thickness because I'm not using any ice. Alright, I'm gonna add the fruits. I might not need all of this fruit, right, because I'm gonna add the banana. I can put this aside. I'm gonna add the banana. So guys, remember, if you have your fruits and you're not heating them up, remember you can always make a smoothie. Alright, smoothie is so nice, good for anything, any time of the day. Alright, this one looks purple. Let me tell you what the flavor is: mountain blueberry. Alright, you can choose to use your natural yogurt, non-fat yogurt. I'm gonna add my milk. Alright, you can also use juice to make your smoothie. You don't have to use milk. Then I'm gonna cover this, and I'm going to blend. This is it guys, this is a color. See, you might not see it this way, so I'll pour this out. Wow, I'm excited. This looks different. Let me taste it. So good, So good, guys. No sweetener, just the almond milk, which is the original, and a ripe banana, and the yogurt. And you know, cantaloupe, not that sweet. So tasty. Yes, so tasty, guys. So go ahead and check out this video, guys. You will love the smoothie. It's good for the entire family. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so ripe banana is good, the cantaloupe is good, the milk is good. So this smoothie is really good for everybody. So go ahead and try the smoothie. You will love it. Alright, so remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Okay, guys, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.